Hi, can I get the only egg fried rice?
Only egg fried rice.
Yeah, the number 3 here. Can I get this large crispy pork belly?
Rice will go with it, or
And this one, the spear.
yeah.
With soybean paste. And is that comes with a steamed rice? Or we have to order it separate? Yeah, can we get 2 steamed rice, 2 serve of steamed rice?
And then I think this one comes with rice. Maybe, yeah, maybe. So just one then.
Just one then, please.
If the other one hasn't have a rice.
This one and
Buffalo wing.
yes,
Buffalo
please.
shoulder. Buffalo shoulder.
And for the creams, can we get the smoothies, the lychee smoothies? Yeah. And
Young coconut.
young coconut.
That fresh from the coconut tree, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Later I can order a takeaway sweet and sour pork.
Sweet and sour.
Little bit later, or can I
That's
add
for-
it now?
Sweet and sour for takeaway.
Yes, please. Sweet.
Pork.
Ah, you don't have? No, that's okay then. Thank you.